All right, so this is a rational equation that we're going to multiply through by the LCD. So first step is we're going to factor the denominator on the right. The other two denominators cannot be factored. All right, let me fix that real quick. So we're going to look at our denominators, and our LCD has to have everything that these denominators have. So we have to have an x minus 5. We have to have an x plus 3. All right, then when I'm looking at the second denominator, we have to have an x minus 5, and we already do. Right, and we have to have an x plus 3. We already do. So we have our least common denominator. All right, then we're going to go through and we're going to multiply every fraction or every single term by this LCD. And when I say terms, terms are separated by addition and subtraction. So this is a term, this is a term, this is a term. All right, so I'm going to kind of spread this out. Now this one is a little trickier than some of them because that subtraction sign, we're going to have to be real careful with that. Okay, so now we can start canceling. So because I have an x minus 5 in the numerator and the denominator, they would cancel. So I would need to multiply 1 by x plus 3. So that's going to give us x plus 3. Right, in this case, x plus 3 is going to cancel. Now we need to be careful. We're technically multiplying negative 3 by x minus 5. So we distribute the negative 3. Okay, and then on the right side, all the factors cancel. We're just left with the x minus 3. All right, so that step after you multiply by the LCD should always leave you with an equation that could be linear, it could be quadratic, but something that doesn't have a denominator. So we would combine our like terms. All right, then we would get everything on one side. It doesn't matter which side. I'm just going to go ahead and move my 2x over with the x. All right, and then add 3. All right, and we should get that x is 7. So what that means for this particular sheet is we're going to go through, find the answer that is 7, and this is going to be number 2, and then that would be the next one that you solve.